Use this if you find out that you have what we call Rice Krispie knees. What we call Rice Krispie knees here is, and a lot of people may know what I'm talking about, is where those knees are just loud, creaky, and popping. And people like to associate it as just, the price of admission as you get older. No, there could be a little bit more going on than that. So if you find that, especially you're going upstairs, you're going downstairs, and your knees just sound like bubble wrap. It doesn't even sound like you're stepping on steps anymore. It just sounds like constant bubble wrap. You're getting out of bed, it sounds like popcorn. Let me show you possibly what could be going on. And really, just a quick tip to see if this can help out. Maybe this might alleviate some of that. And most importantly, maybe not hurt so much anymore. Just going to angle the camera down on this one a little bit. All right, here we go. So right here, I've got your traditional, ooh, that is some bad light lacrosse ball. Let me actually get this over here. All right, so right now, oh, that light is still pretty fierce right now. Guys, I'm going to actually have to back this thing up a little bit more. How can I do this? All right, there we go. Sorry, guys, got some bad lighting. So right here, we have a lacrosse ball. And here's what I want you to do with this lacrosse ball. What you're going to do with this thing right down through here is you're going to take this, prop your leg up, and you're going to notice right about through here, there is a major ligament that runs right around the leg. You're going to take this lacrosse ball, place it up behind the knee, kind of the inside of that ligament, and you're going to squeeze your leg on this pretty tight. Now when you hear, what I want you to do is roll your ankle. Now when you start rolling your ankle, you're probably going to find some things that are pretty tight in your calf. People don't realize that calf tightness can be a major cause of knee pain. Right? So your calves start from here, but they go up and they go through the back of the knee. If those things get tight, what do you think they'd be pulling on right now? So take this, sandwich it behind the knee, squeeze yourself tight, and I want you to roll your ankle. And you're going to do this for about 30 to 60 seconds, 3 times. And what you're going to notice is each time you do it, you should feel less and less pressure, most notably in the back of the calf, but also in the knee. Why that's good is, let me just tell you what's going on, is the knee is what we call a dumb joint. It does one thing and one thing only. That's really about it. Shoulder has many things it can do. The knee does one thing and one thing only. So unless it was really like a traumatic incident, like you had a car accident, you blew your ACL playing basketball, or genetic abnormality, most cases, why people have some loud creaky knees, it's just the muscles in the area are overly tight and they need to be loosened. So one more time, take this, sandwich it in there, get yourself nice and close, and do some ankle rolls. Usually after 30 seconds, most people can feel a big difference. Now make sure you get both legs in this one. We're not wanting to have one amazingly knee and then the other one just feels like other crap. But take your time, and what you should notice is this should start helping alleviate some of that junk that's going on back through there, some of this traffic jam of stuff that's going on through here. Remember, many things attach to the knee, not just the quads, but you got the back of the leg as well too, from calves to the hamstrings. Do that. This can be something that can be done daily, especially for those of you that just have those really loud knees. I recommend doing this up to date. You can do this daily. Do this before every workout. Do this after workout. Do it however often you want. Anywhere from about 30 to 60 seconds, 3 to 5 rounds. And hopefully what you should notice is in time, these may not be as loud and it may not suck as much anymore. So guys, this is Travis with the Rowlett Transformation Center. If you got any comments or questions, hey, put them in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to help. But in the meantime, everyone, take care, have amazing workouts, even better meals, and I look forward to chatting with all of you tomorrow.